When you start your English journey, at that time our mind not ready to do anything. But if we not do anything, so who's face difficulty? Hi friend, this is Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Sia, and I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. So friend, in this video I am going to talk about how to speak English like native speaker. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, you understand that why they speak very good English and why they achieve their fluency, because they have environment. That's why they not need to do anything. Okay, talking about ourselves, so we do so many things and we get so many effort to get fluency. Okay, we give so many efforts. Okay, what we do listening, writing, reading and practice. But talking about native speakers, so there is no need to do anything because they have environment every single day in their area. Every person they speak English. Then okay, so they watch TV, they listen English. When they speak anything, they speak in English. So if you try to speak like them, so what you do, you also create environment. Without environment we can't speak English. Okay, so how you create your environment? You have mobile phone, everyone have mobile phone. If you use your mobile phone productive way, so you also create environment, English environment. And whatever you watch in English, whatever you read in English. First when you start, at that time you feel difficulty. Okay, we are face so much difficulty. So if you not do such kind of effort, okay, if you not give effort, so we face lots of difficulty in this language. Our biggest mistake is that we are not ready to do anything when we decided. Okay, I hope you related this topic with ourselves. When we start our journey, at that time we are full of motivated that yes, I can do it. But when time pass, this journey after some month little bit difficult, then we feel demotivated. And when we think lot about this language, then we think that when I speak this language, I'm do this, that, like that, and I earn something for this language. But sometime after we are not achieve our goal after some month, so we feel demotivated. Everyone face this kind of problem. But if you do hard work, if you have passion, so you also learn this language. So you learn this language like a language. Don't do don't think lot about this language. Okay, and talking about native speakers, so they also not give so much effort because they think that this is a language. Talking about how you do practice, so if you not have environment, so don't be stressed. Okay, whatever time you have, you try to speak. You have some friend, so you speak with them. You speak with your family member, they are not understand this language, it's okay, but your practice is going on. Okay, it's a very important to do practice. For when we are beginner, at that time we scared to speak this language. So if someone tell you anything, so you convert in your mind that how to speak this language and how to make sentence. Don't speak in front of people, speak in your mind that how to make sentence, how to explain this sentence. Okay, if someone told you in Hindi, so you convert in English in your mind. If you do practice like this, so your thinking also convert in English. Thinking is also very important. Okay, note down this point. because if you're thinking not convert in your mind, then when you speak this language, so sometime after you think in Hindi. Okay, so if you think in English, so whatever you think, you always think in English. Okay, so if you do practice like this, so you also speak this language like a native speaker. Okay, and when you cross some level, like you learn this language like 5 months, 6 months after, you listen native speaker, how they speak this language, how they create sentence. Our biggest mistake is that we are not think that it's a language. We think that I'm learn something, and if I'm not give my effort, so I'm not earn anything. So don't think like this. Okay, if you give in this language 30 minutes in a day, it's sufficient. Okay, because you have so much time to learn this language. Okay, if you do some work, so with this with your work you learn this language. Okay, this language not give us our whole day. Okay, if you give your whole day, if you listen so many video, but you are not remember. Why you could not remember? Why? Because if you learn like a language, so if you give 30 minutes in a day, so you remember that I'm learn this that. But if you listen whole day, so word not come in our mind, we are not remember that how we see, how we listen, and what we remember, and how to speak, how to explain my thought, how to make sentence. We are not like capable to speak this language if you listen whole day. So if you listen 30 minutes and then you speak, you try to speak. I'm not telling you that you only listen, you not do practice. Practice is also very important. If you have much time, so you try to speak this language, because if we not have environment, so because native speaker speak like advanced level. Okay, and when we are beginner at the time, if we speak like them, so it's not possible. Okay, because they learn this language their childhood, they use like difficult sentence, and when we listen our beginning days, so we are not understand, and we feel demotivated that this language is very difficult, it's not my cup of tea, I'm not learn this language. So first you start watching cartoon video. Okay, first you start like cartoon video, then listen podcast video, and some songs. Okay, so start like this, and after some month you speak, you seen native speaker. Okay, and you try to understand that what they speak. Okay, don't convert in our language. Okay, don't do this. Okay, if you listen English and you convert in your mind in Hindi that yes, what is the meaning of this, so don't do this. Okay, so if you practice like this, so you also speak with like them, and you get fluency as soon as possible. Okay friends, so I hope you like this video. If you then please like, share, comment, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.